We've been hunkered down for a few weeks now, and life sure has changed.
Yeah, that's true. We find ourselves watching a lot of TV and gaming, both of which are out of the norm for us.
One thing that hasn't changed is we need to eat. So we still cook almost daily, but today we're expecting bad weather. So we're gonna cook 2 meals before things hit. Let's get cooking. First up, sausage and eggs. This is about all the prep work we need to do for this meal. Super simple.
Well, we have everything we need out here. The pan's preheated. Washed our hands real good per the COVID-19 instructions. So this is the way we wash our hands. Happy birthday, Christine. Happy birthday to you. You're now 53 years old. 53 fucking years old. You're now 53 and counting and washing. And if you keep washing, you might make it to 54. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, guys. I need a new song, please.
So, I guess it's time to get cooking. So, let's get naked, y'all.
Hey, sexy. What you cooking?
Turn the fire down.
So this is one of our favorite ways to cook eggs. Just plop them right down on top of the sausage, put a lid on, give it a few minutes, and you're good to go. Let's take a peek. I think they're done. This is our prep for the chili. We'll take this outside and Jimmy will get cooking. Hey babe, I think you should wear that to bed tonight.
What, the apron?
Yeah.
Just the apron?
Just the apron.
Why? My butt'll get cold.
Sometimes the meat is not the meat we really want and is way too oily. So, gotta dip it out, dispose of it.
The meat byproduct, animal byproducts is all browned. And so now here comes the good part. The veggies, onions, bell peppers, tiny jalapenos. Tomatillos come last. This we can leave the cooked stuff around the edges and it'll stay hot when we cook the stuff in the middle.
Almost there.
Putting the red stuff in. cumin, whatever. We don't know how. Cinnamon,
No.
chili powder.
Don't ask me how much. A bunch.
Stirring in the green things one more time, and we're going to just let them cook till they're softened up, and that's it. We're going to just cover that and let it simmer for a while.
Let's see how it's doing. Looking good. Since we're going to eat this for dinner tonight, we're going to load up a couple of bowls and a container for the next meal. Can you see it? Ooh. Just like that, we've got 3 dinners. We had brunch, and we're done cooking for a couple days.
We're having fun doing this cooking video and everything. We're not even drinking. We just want everybody to know we're taking it safe here. We're hunkering down at our home. We're staying out of the public like they're asking us in the local governments, and we hope you are too. We don't want to get sick, and we don't want you to. Please be safe.
As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, subscribe, like, comment. And no, I'm not sharing this. Sorry.